Who love to clean? I don't like it, but I found something amazing. Today we will make a demo of Vileda H2O Pro Flat Mop system. It's a small container which is very easy because in the box you won't get manual. But it is really easy to just put everything together. It is a flat mop, which I like. You have so many options of the mops. Some that are round, some that are flat. I like really this. You will get a microfiber cloth, which is also very easy. You can attach this to the mop. Like I said, I don't really like cleaning. It is not my thing, as you know. But it is so helpful if you don't want to make your hands dirty. Like I had mop in the past and it's not possible to use just one cloth for your whole apartment or whole house. So this one, it is really cool because you have two separate containers for the clean water and dirty water. So it is very easy just to fill up this again, and you have actually the clean cloth and you can clean and clean and clean on the time. It is really, really cool. So this is not any, of course, ad. It was like my purchase because I think that maybe I will try. Why not? It is a really nice and small container, as you can see, so fits everywhere. Even if you have small tiny bathroom, this will fit, for example, I don't know, between your laundry and the wall, for example, or between I don't know, shower and something next to the toilet. You can put it just really anywhere. This really helps to not move this container, and it is really cool to make it, you can take to sink or to your shower, and you can fill it up with the any liquid for the clean floor cleaner or something. Then you have all this, no, not like that. Then you have to take it out, that, and then you have all these parts separate. So it is really, really easy to make it because, like I said, you won't get any manual in the box. So all you have to do, you have to put it like this. Then you have to put this on the top. Two clips on the side. You have this box on this side, but first we will go and we will fill it up with any floor cleaner and some water. I really love to clean with the hot water because I think it is better results after. So I've got this floor cleaner. Okay. Now you have to just, not easy with the one hand, but that's all actually. Fits. And all magic it is. Like you have number one, which is this. As you see, this moving, and this is number two when it's going dirty mop and dirty water from this to this. I don't know how, it is something inside there, but I will show you. All you have to do you see the water is going there. So we've got mop, nice. It is very easy and flexible. As you can see, you can even clean under your sofa. And the dirty water is going to the number 2. It is really hard with the one hand, but as you can see, there is number 2, and we have dirty water there. So many. Okay. It is already, I think, the best what I could buy, because it is small, very handy and really good. So I feel like my floor, it is very nice and clean, as you can see. I just love it. I think I done everything. So here is like my very dirty floor. I'm trying to clean my floor like once a week or every third day. So I think that once a week it is okay. I'm not just making my floor very dirty. It is actually all about dust. I don't have any animals, so just all my hair on the floor, and I don't think so that the floor it is very dirty. So that looks really great. All you have to do now is just take it out and put to the washing machine, and that's it. So very easy, very nice and clean thing to do. I never try from Vileda, nothing in my life, but I think it is my best purchase from them, because like I said, it is small, handy and very useful, and you can have your clothes clean every time you wipe the floor. You don't have to go to sink and just wash it every time. After a few times you will wipe the floor. So it is really cool, and I can recommend you this. So now I will show you the dirty water. I wish this could be transparent, just like this, to see the dirty water, how dirty it is. It is like, and you see, oh my god, all my hair, it's here. So maybe not much, but this we have to put to toilet. After all, always I'm trying to wash it and just leave it for dry. Vileda H2 Pro cost about 40 euro, so I think it isn't expensive tool, but it is really good. I know that I could buy a robot that will be, you know, just clean the floor, wiping and everything, but I don't want to spend that much money, because usually the robot costs like 200-300 euro or even more, depends what this robot is doing and what brand is it. So I would like to try something cheaper, because money I would like to spend for myself, for boots, for clothes, not really for the, like, tools to clean the home, but I think that this is really enough. I can see the shine on the floor. I feel kind of satisfaction when the floor it is nice, clean and shiny. Just like my boots today and my whole outfit. Today I'm wearing the H&M, nice and shiny, because I wanna have shiny boots, shiny everything, shiny floor. So I love to shine and I think it is really great. So I hope that you like it. Some people just last time told me that when you will make a cleaning video, and I say, why I supposed to make a cleaning video again? I don't have nothing new to show you. And then I bought this new flat mop, and I haven't made the unboxing because I thought it's not gonna be interesting, but this is how this mop surprised me. With the normal cloth, usually just clean the floor took about an hour to clean. Now it is like 20 minutes and it is very easy. You can have your hands clean. It is separate place for the water, clean and dirty. This is the most easy thing to do for this price that you can have. So I can recommend you this. It is really great. Next tool, it's gonna be a window and mirrors cleaner, which I think the Kasha will be one of the best, but we will try. I bought one, I'm waiting for the delivery, so with the next video we will clean the windows and we will make unboxing and demo with the window cleaner. So I don't know, it's gonna be like all in one, so should be just one move or two moves and should be fine. So we will see. For now, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments, what do you think about Vileda? Maybe you have a different one, maybe you have the same, maybe you really love your robot which doing everything on your floor. So now time for coffee. Thank you so much and see you soon in the next video. Bye.